Since they launched in 2021, they've already handed out $100 million to creators. Let's just be real. If you're not thinking about digital products in 2025, you're low-key playing yourself. Like no inventory, no shipping, no handling packages, no refunds or lost Amazon packages. You build something once and it sells while you sleep. There are people making $1,000 a month selling AI prompts for ChatGPT, and others are flipping those Notion journals. And that's not some like crazy make money online guru kind of thing. That's happening right now on platforms built for creators like us. And then I saw this Iman Gadzhi, the whiteboard SMMA wake up at 5 a.m. guy I've been following for years, maybe you guys know him too, just became a partner in this platform called Whop. And I was like, if Iman's betting on this platform, there's gotta be something, right? Because he is the guy who knows how to make money online. So if he's betting on this, I was very much interested in this. So I started digging, and people are calling this the Gumroad killer. Pretty big word, but I had to see if the hype was real. When someone like Iman backs a creator economy, you know it's gonna be worth investigating, right? But I didn't just want to watch from the sidelines. I wanted to test if it's genuinely beginner friendly, as they say, and whether someone like me juggling school, student loans, side hustles could actually launch something online, create without a crazy technical background or a marketing degree. So I decided to dive deep and see for myself what really makes this platform different than everything else. Before we get into my experiences, let's talk about what Whop actually is. Essentially, it's a marketplace for digital products and communities. Think Notion templates, AI tools, private Discord servers, online courses, digital downloads, you name it, it's there. It's kind of like an app store, but built for independent creators. But I'm gonna be honest here. The second I opened that website, I was like, what the f is this? I don't understand anything there. It kind of looks like Twitter or X, whatever you're gonna call it. You can post something, you can see the views, like people can comment, like kind of like on Twitter or Facebook, and like everything in between. But it's a marketplace, so people have their product set up, groups, and all of this that I have no idea about. But I will give them points for the clean interface, no coding required, no plugin headaches. Just create your product, list it, and your life. That's it. It's so easy. And that really got me thinking how it compares to platforms that we are already familiar with. If you've ever used similar platforms before, here's where the Whop. It's kind of hard, but easy at the same time to pronounce. This is where it feels different. Not in the word, but let me explain. Gumroad is straightforward, but kind of feels outdated. Functional, but kind of gives that 2015-ish vibes, not gonna lie. Shopify is powerful, but overwhelming. I've done dropshipping before, I know it. And it gets very expensive if you really want to set up a good store. And Whop just works. The onboarding feels seamless to anything that I've tried before. It auto-generates your landing page, handles checkout setup, and this is key, embeds your product into their marketplace. That means people might organically discover your product without you spending a dime on ads. Plus, there are built-in features like affiliate marketing and community integrations that normally requires multiple apps or plugins to just set up. No more digital duct tape solutions. And that's basically what really got me excited about trying it. Let me keep it real with you. I'm not a marketing guru or a tech wizard by any means. I'm just a normal nursing student with debt, serious caffeine dependency, and maybe just a little bit too much time on TikTok. But I do have some ideas, small ideas like a specialized study schedule template for healthcare students, maybe a 7-day evidence-based journaling challenge, a practical guide on using AI to accelerate learning. Nothing revolutionary, but maybe worth a few dollars to the right person. I'm not sure. I am not really sure about this. But who cares? You never know until you try it. And that's exactly why Whop appeals to me. It just feels accessible to normal people, like it was designed for side hustlers, students, and casual creators who want to taste ideas without building like crazy complex funnels or maybe learning 10 different platforms. But that also raised another question for me. What are actually people successfully selling on Whop? After browsing the marketplace for hours, probably should have studied, but yeah, we can get through that. I discovered that products on Whop is very impressive. Like the variety is very impressive. Here's just a snapshot of what people are actually selling. Notion and productivity templates, AI prompt and collection tools, Discord server memberships, browser extensions and digital tools, fitness and wellness programs, access to niche communities like Study Talk or Side Hustlers. Basically, if it's digital and it provides value, it has a home here. What sets Whop apart is their built-in Whop Hub. Whop Hub. Whop. They made the name very complicated. Essentially, your own personalized storefront within their larger marketplace. Customers can browse and purchase multiple products, giving you more exposure without you making any marketing effort. Seeing all these possibilities got me wondering, what could I create myself that will be value to someone else? Because I don't want to sell some stupid shit on there. Now that I've done my research and explored the platform, I just don't want to talk about it. I want to show you what it's actually like to use it. So in my next video, I'm going to build and launch my first ever digital product on Whop. I still have no idea what I'm going to do, what I'm going to sell. I have, but it's kind of vague. So I can't really pinpoint this one idea on my head. I want to do all sorts of things, but it's better if I just stick with one and see through. Documenting the entire process. No editing out the confusion, no glossing over the challenges. You will see everything from initial brainstorming to final publications, mistakes, and all. I want this to be the video I wish existed when I first started creating the digital product. So if you're a beginner like me with tons of ideas but not a lot of tech experiences, this series is specifically designed for you. Drop your question in the comments and I'll address everything as I learn along the way. And hey, if you're already on Whop, share your product link below so we can support each other. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss the second part where the real chaos begins as we build something from scratch. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one where we will turn these ideas into something real. And as always, I'm rooting for you.